Hello, this is Duncan Welder from RISC. I want to spend just a couple minutes today stepping through the dashboards in VTA Backoffice 9.0. So you see I have a dashboards option across my menu bar. I'm going to click on that guy. I'm also going to just hide my menu panel off to the left-hand side so I have a bit more space to work with here. If you're familiar with dashboards in Learner, very similar layout in that they're organized into tabs based on topic. So this is my registrations tab, and I can see a chart here on registrations, self-study versus non-self-study, and a little trend line for completions there. A couple things to note. Here at the top, I have the ability to change my time frame. So here if I expand back to October of last year, or if I want to just look at June of this year, I have the ability to make those changes. When I do hover over a particular bar or trend line, I can see some additional detail there, in this case the date and the count. And I have on each of these charts the ability to export or print. So here to the right at the top of each chart, I can choose print or select an output format for either an image of that chart or as a PDF document. And again, I have a couple different options on this screen, registration by media as a second. If I take a look at things like activity, again, very similar functions here. If I want to change my date range to something more recent, I can see those different activities by type, whether those are performance checklists or courses that someone takes, then activities by department. One of the cool things here is I can filter those. So if I wanted to get rid of a couple departments here and then apply those filters, I'll see my bars change. The other thing I can do is always export that data to Excel. So activities by department, activities by work area. They show another example where I have a little bit more data that could be exported there. Again, looking at courses, top active courses. And this is a case where I have a lot of information in this tiny grid down below and may want to export that guy as well. So courses, number of ratings for courses, and then just briefly looking at the schedule, I can see, again, for a particular date range, scheduled classes and students. Have that grid that I can again export. And then below that, two more charts, this time for classroom utilization and room utilization. So classes, the number of students relative to the class roster versus room utilization, student count compared to the classroom capacity. Those may be very similar numbers going through. Last thing I wanted to show you is here at the bottom, I do have the ability to change themes. So if I wanted to change to this ocean colored theme, you'd see my chart colors all change there. If I wanted to switch that to this dark moon color, I can do that. So if you need to update charts to have them a little bit more legible or to match a presentation that they're going in, it's easy enough to do that. If you have any questions, we always like to get your feedback. You can reach us at vtasupport@risc-inc.com or at 281-480-7910. As always, we appreciate that feedback, and if there's anything that we can do, never hesitate to reach out. Thank you very much. Have a great day.